Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today we will dive into the essential steps for repairing the motherboard of your HP OMEN 15AX. Make sure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. It's crucial to work in a static-free environment to avoid damaging sensitive components. First, ensure that the laptop is powered off and unplugged. Remove the battery using the Phillips screwdriver. This step is critical to prevent any electrical hazards during the repair process. Next, let's take off the bottom cover. You'll find several screws holding it in place. Keep track of these screws as they can be different sizes. Once the screws are removed, use a spudger to gently pry open the bottom cover. Be careful not to damage the plastic clips. Now, we have access to the internal components. Start by inspecting the motherboard for any visible damage, such as burnt components or loose connections. If you see any dirt or dust buildup, use a can of compressed air to clean the area gently. Remember, a clean workspace is essential for a successful repair. If you encounter a damaged component on the motherboard, you may need to replace it. For this, you can use a multimeter to test the components. If you're not confident in doing this yourself, keep in mind that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once you've identified the faulty component, you can proceed to solder it using a soldering iron. Make sure to use a soldering iron with a fine tip for precision. Apply some soldering flux to the joint to help the solder flow better. Heat the joint until the solder melts, then use tweezers to remove the component carefully. After removing the damaged component, it's time to solder in the new one. Position the new component in place and apply solder to the joints. Ensure that the connections are secure and clean up any excess solder with a solder wick. Once the repair is completed, reassemble the laptop. Start by placing the bottom cover back on and securing it with the screws. Remember to replace the battery as well. If at any point you feel overwhelmed or lack the necessary tools, don't forget that we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Our service is designed to make repairs easy for you, with no calls and no travel involved. Finally, power on your laptop and check if everything works as expected. If problems persist, you may need to consult a professional. We also provide a quote before repair, ensuring that you are informed of any costs beforehand. This guide should give you a comprehensive understanding of how to repair your HP OMEN 15AX motherboard. Always exercise caution and consider professional help when in doubt. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.